Let's do a quick review and demonstration of Autofiber Holey clay towel. Yes, this is clay, but in a towel. It basically replaces a clay bar. It does many more vehicles. Whenever it gets stuff on it, like if you drop it on the ground, you rinse it off, you wash it off, it's ready to go again. You don't have to throw it away like you do a piece of detailing clay. Now, there are some times that I do keep clay around with me because there are just certain things where it seems to grab better. And like there's things like yellow road paint. There you can see a tiny little speck of it in here since I was working on a car that had a little bit of it. That heavy duty clay is just simply superior to the clay towels. But for overall a vehicle that just has some light contaminants on it, this is faster, easier, simpler, much more cost efficient, and does about 90% plus of what clay will do without all the hassle. Now, let's show you how to use it really quick and easy because that's what it is. Breaking in a clay towel is ridiculously almost over the top easy. You use a piece of glass and you put the whole face of the clay towel on it. Sometimes whenever the towels are light new, they'll have a tiny bit of almost like little foam that'll come off of them. Most of the time this is even kind of unnecessary, but this is technically how you break in, and I've always broken in a clay towel, is by doing it on glass before you do it on paint. On certain paints, such as really soft black like GM black, you may want to be very careful with a clay towel and make sure that you're going to polish afterward because it can leave some light marring. Now there may be some people that would spend 45 minutes talking about this. I'm not that guy because it's not a 45-minute subject. You spray this surface thoroughly with clay bar lubricant, which can be a quick detailer, a rinseless wash properly diluted, or a dedicated clay bar lubricant. Then you gently glide the clay towel over the surface. When you have little red specks such as iron particles that weren't removed with your decontamination process, this will slowly and steadily take care of it and remove all those contaminants and give you nice, clean, smooth paint free of contaminants. Now I could make this video a lot longer. I could drag on, I can ramble. If you have any questions, put it in the comments below. I can answer it for you. But a clay towel is really simple. And the Autofiber Holey ones, which is a newer release of a clay towel, is even better because all the stuff when you wash it comes right through the holes. You don't have stuff that gets stuck in the clay towel. They've made it even better and it's already super simple. Don't overcomplicate claying or using a clay towel, especially if you're a professional detailer that uses this full time. If you're a DIYer, if you're a hobbyist that just wants to clay your own vehicle, you know, this is not a whole lot more expensive than a clay bar. Depending on where you're getting it, maybe even less expensive, and it's tremendously faster. Why wouldn't you want to respect your time and get the job done just as quick and much more efficient and much more easy? And if you drop this, you rinse it off and wash it and you use it again, you can use it on multiple vehicles. If you're a DIYer or you're just a consumer taking care of your own vehicles, this could last you for many years. If you're claying your car just once or twice a year, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less, this is the way to go and it will make your life tremendously easier.